Thank you. Thank you for joining me. I got your back, bro. We're here for the environment. Thank you. Yes, you know, Diwali is the festival of lights. And those who are cracking crackers in the sky, well, they are our enemies as they, harm the environment. Yes, we are on the same page. Let's discuss about the bad effects of fireworks. Talk about air pollution. Oof. Man, think about the dogs, man. I really feel bad for the dogs. The dogs. And the dogs. The air pollution. The environment, bro. Yeah, firecrackers are bad.